Hello everyone, I am Shruti Dikshit from EC Department of SIT College Bhopal. Today we are going to discuss the circuit designing and simulation part of one of the important application of operational amplifier, which is integrator circuit. We will design the circuit of integrator circuit in multisim software. So this is the circuit diagram of integrator circuit, and this is known as circuit window of multisim software. For making a circuit of integrator, we require operational amplifier IC741 IC, then resistor. In feedback we will connect capacitor, and for giving input, function generator is there, and for display of input and output both at a time we require both input and output. So we will use here CRO. So these are the two instruments we will use to give input and take the output from the integrator circuit. This is the main circuit window. This is known as circuit window, where we are going to draw the circuit of integrator circuit. First we will take how we will place the different components. For example, here I am taking new design. See, this is the new blank format. Okay, create. This is the design 3 of circuit window. First we will place here operational amplifier. So from this rated virtual, I will place operation rate op amp rated in this way. Then I will place a resistor, capacitor, to connect in capacitor to connect this capacitor in the feedback circuit. Then I will require this different power sources, ground, then VE and VSS. So in this way I have placed all the components required to make integrated circuit in the circuit window. Then I have to connect all these components. So you have to just take this point and you have to just click here. You can drag this connection wire in this way. You can change the color of this connecting wire also. You have to change the component value from here. Okay, you have to change the name of this component of labeling. We can change the label of that particular component. If I want to give the input, so I will keep the input from here. This is the multimeter function generator, so I have to just click the function generator for giving the input, and this is our CRO. Or just place the CRO on this in this circuit board. Okay, so function generator, we will give the square wave input to our inverting terminal of operational amplifier, and and we will at the same time we will give connections of this channel B to our function generator, and for display of the output we will connect this output of this operational amplifier to this channel A, and this is the inverting operational amplifier integrated circuit. So definitely the another terminal, which is the non-inverting terminal, this non-inverting terminal will be connected to the ground terminal. So here I am just showing you how to connect so in this way I have connected the inverting terminal, non-inverting terminal of this operational amplifier to the ground terminal. So in this way we can complete the circuit. This is the complete connections of the integrated circuit. In the feedback, I have connected this capacitor having value 0.1 microfarad, and resistor, which is one end of the resistor is connected to the inverting terminal, and another end is connected to the function generator. So here I am giving the input to these inverting terminal of the operational amplifier, and channel B is provided to show the input waveform, and output signal output of this operational amplifier is connected to the channel A, and this terminal is connected to the ground terminal. This non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground terminal. So in this way we have completed the connection of the integrated circuit. Then this is the connection diagram of integrated circuit in Multisim software. So now first of all, I had to simulate this circuit. The procedure for simulation is I have to just click this run button or F5. After clicking this button, this is faded, and this red button is displayed. If I will double click this function generator, so here I am giving a square wave to my integrated circuit having frequency 500 Hz and amplitude of 1 volt peak to peak. Okay, and if I will click this CRO, so this is the display of this square wave. This is giving we are giving this square wave to our input of this integrated circuit, and we are getting triangular wave at the output of the integrated circuit. So this is the channel A. Channel A is for our output, and channel B is provided for provision for the input. See here we are giving the input, and channel A is used. See, this is the connection of the channel A. So channel A we have connected it to the output terminal. So in this way we have drawn the circuit in the circuit window of the Multisim software, connection diagram, or we can say the connection diagram of the integrated circuit, and this is the simulation of the integrated circuit.